Alright guys, welcome to News Hub again. Appreciate y'all stopping by and visiting. We're entering Memphis, Tennessee now, very shortly here. We're actually in DeSoto County, I believe, huh? Oh, there it is there. Okay.
Continue on I-55 north, entering Tennessee.
Tennessee welcomes you. Alright.
Continue straight for 5 minutes to exit 6B, I-240 north toward Little Rock.
This guy zooming past people on a bike, that's not smart. Gotta be careful of these bikers. Gotta watch out for them. Can't see them too good when you're getting over and all. Pretty cool, huh? Like it's